everyone, it's Katie, and today's video is going to be the long-awaited room tour. So I live in an apartment with 3 other girls. I probably said that a bunch, but we all have our own separate rooms, so I wanted to show you mine. I've been pushing this off for a while because I've been really busy, but now I have the chance to show you. So let's go into my room. We are now obviously in my room, so here's my lovely door. On my door handle, I keep my purse, so I don't actually use this unless I'm going shopping, going out to eat, or going out with my friends or stuff like that. Just because during the school day I have my backpack, so obviously I don't need this, but it's very convenient to just have it on the door handle so I can just grab it when I need it. On this side, we have a little plug. I don't know why I said little, but it's an outlet. I have a air freshener that's from the Bread Airwick, and right now I have the scent Linen, but I really like a bunch of other scents that I'm trying, and it just makes my room smell nice. Now we're going to move along this wall into the most decorated part of my room, and we're going to start it with my backpack. So I keep my backpack next to my white shelving unit just because there's a lot of space and it's easy to grab and go and easy to access, so just kind of throw that there. This white shelving unit is from Target. It has 3 different sections. The first one has underwear, spandex, and tights, and then the second one has bras, and the third one actually has extra books, stuff I need for classes, and then just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that I didn't know where to put, so I just kind of threw it in a bin. On top of this unit, I have all of my jewelry, and it may seem like I have a lot, but I do actually wear it all the time. I think jewelry is a great way to spice up an outfit, so that's why I have so much of it. First off, I have these 2 earring packs. Unfortunately, they don't fit on my jewelry rack because this is all full, so I just kind of have them there. Then I have this little cactus that I made, super cute. It just holds my rings and then some bracelets. And then of course I have my lovely jewelry rack. It has necklaces and then bracelets there. Then this little thingy that I got a while ago. I'm not really sure where I got it, but I think it's cute. And I think you can find this on Amazon, so if you want the link, I'll try to find it, but yeah, this is pretty old. Now we are getting into the desk area, and starting out with the chair, it's basically just wood. So it's not exactly comfortable, but I did put a gray blanket on over it, and it is like a little more comfortable and softer, definitely. So that helped. Also with this desk, there is no like pull-out drawer or anything like we had last year, but I can't really complain because it has so much more room than last year, and I was able to add these storage units from Target. Starting on this side of the desk, I have my Aveeno lotion. Then I have this cute little sign that says brunch is always a good idea because I love brunch. I have my golden stapler. This is from Target. This is a Shutterfly photo collage that I made, and it's just of me and my family. Super cute. Then I have my adult multivitamin gummies because I'm not an actual adult and I like to eat gummies, so take your vitamins, kids. Moving on to this area, we have my HP Sprocket. I got this from my grandparents. It's beautifully, amazingly just awesome. I'll show you how I used it to decorate my room, but there's that. I'm not going to go into full detail on what is in here just because it's kind of organized chaos and just a bunch of random stuff that you probably don't want to see, but this area kind of has tape, sticky tack, flash drives, keychains, some scrunchies, stuff like that. Then this one is a little more organized. I have Shutterfly photos, stuff for our apartment, 2 pairs of scissors apparently. Then I have pens, pencils, Sharpies, highlighters, stuff like that. These are just for the Sprocket. These are like the little printer papers. I have a chapstick that I use all the time, some paper clips, some note cards, and then just some like electronic stuff, so power bank and like extra cords and stuff. Not cords, like these block thingies, yeah. Then moving on, we have this blue canvas. This is a tried out canvas that I got from my big when I first what was I gonna say? I lost my train of thought. Oh, first joined a sorority, duh. Then I have my gold lamp that kind of ties together the whole gold theme that I really just realized I had on my desk, and I didn't know that, but that's cute, right? This is a K little box. I think it's cute. My sister got it for me for my birthday, and I just have a bunch of bracelets. It didn't fit over by my other jewelry, and I think it looks cute over here. And then I have my Pride and Joy. I made this at my work. It's very simple, but I'm not artistic at all. So it just says Miami University and then the year I graduate. I think it's super cute, and it kind of shows that I go to Miami even though everyone knows that. Obviously, I need sleep. Okay, moving on. Here's my laptop. This is where it charges, and I have a power strip down below, and then I also have a garbage can underneath the desk on this side, but obviously I'm not going to show you that because, I don't know, it's kind of boring. I apologize for the lighting of this area. It's kind of hard to film here because I do have a huge window here and it gives off a lot of natural light, which is great, but in terms of showing you this area, it's kind of hard, so I'm going to try to do the best that I can. This is where all my pictures are hung up from my HP Sprocket. I have 15 of them, and then I bought these little cute, they're not paper clips, they're clothespins, yes. Bought these really cute clothespins, and I just hung them up with sticky tack, and I think they look really cute. They kind of bring together the simplicity that I was trying to go for my room, and they're just really cute and fun pictures of me and my friends, and there's my picture wall. Oh! Now here is the windowsill, and I have a couple things on here. So first off, I have a box of tissues because that just makes the most sense to put them there. I have a picture frame of Polaroids and photo booth stuff with my friends. Then I have my Polaroid camera. I also have a photo album that I have with more pictures of my friends that I just like to look at sometimes. And here is my plant, John. Yes, I named my plants, but he is doing real well. I made him spring semester of my sophomore year, so last year, and he's still alive and thriving, so go John. Here is my favorite part of my room, and that is my bed because I love sleeping and just lying in bed and doing nothing. My comforter and my sheets are both from Target. So are the pillow shams because they came with the comforter. This pillow also came with the comforter. It was a really nice set and it wasn't expensive at all. And then the blanket on the chair came with the comforter set too. So a lot of stuff in one set, which was really nice because it cost under $50. Here are my stack of blankets because I get cold all the time. This first blanket is from Roomify. The second one my sister actually made me for Christmas. So cute. And the third one is from Target, of course, because Target is my love. Then we have this pillow. This one is from Target, I believe. The other two pillows, the identical ones, those are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have my little friends here. This is Tucker. And then I have my other friend back there, and that is Angel Bear. And that is basically my bed. I like to have lots of pillows and blankets, as you can probably tell, just because it makes it cozier. If you saw my first week of back to school outfit video, you probably know I was going to hang this mirror on the wall. Well, my friend and I tried, and let's just say it did not go well. So it's currently right here. I might have my parents help me when they come, but that's not for like a month or two. So right now it's just kind of chilling here. And then right next to my mirror is my closet. I'm really lucky I have a big closet. I didn't know it was going to be this big, so I'm definitely going to have my parents bring more clothes down. But basically there are sliding doors, and here is my closet. So I have all this hanging stuff, so sweatshirts, jean jackets, raincoats, chambray shirts, flannels, nicer shirts, and then like other types of shirts, and so that's all hanging on this side of the closet. Up top on this side I have extra sweatshirts that aren't hung up, hats, I have a water bottle, Tide Pods, and bounce sheets. Then I have a Brita filter. We have one already and this one's kind of broken, so we're using the other one, if that makes any sense. Down below is where I have my shoe rack. I got the shoe rack from Walmart and it's pretty simple, pretty nice. I just have 3 rows of shoes, sneakers on top, and then fancier shoes as they go down. I also have the taller boots and stuff next to the shoe rack, and then I have my camera case and my tripod on the ground there. Here's the other side of my closet where I keep my dresses, my rompers, and then like my blazer, kind of more businessy stuff over here. And just kind of looks like that. Then up top I have an extra set of sheets and then an extra power cord, and down below I have a laundry hamper. Now underneath my bed is where my 2 dresser drawers are. So this first top one has all my shirts, the second one has all my pants. Then also moving over here I have a heating pad just because sometimes I get back pains. Then I have a bag that I use for travel. And then on this side is the other 2 dressers, and up top I just have more shirts. These are more like casual shirts and long sleeves, and then down below I have shorts. I know that kind of doesn't make sense, but that's just how I did it. I'll not show this, but underneath my bed I do have a suitcase, a couple boxes, a couple bags, like reusable grocery bags and then drawstring bags, stuff like that. But I didn't think I needed to show you, so there's that. That is all for this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to answer them. And then I think I'm going to do a full apartment tour, maybe. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.